Welcome to Eccentric by Design. Looking for the perfect Christmas dinner recipe? Imagine a table adorned with a classic succulent roast turkey and all the trimmings, a feast that is as easy to prepare as it is delicious. Stay tuned to learn how to prepare a mouth-watering roast turkey that will impress your guests. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need a beautiful plump turkey, a selection of fresh herbs such as thyme, rosemary, and sage. Don't forget unsalted butter for that golden, crispy skin. For the roast vegetables, gather a colorful medley of carrots, potatoes, and parsnips. Lastly, for the gravy, you'll need the pan drippings, some all-purpose flour, and a good quality chicken or turkey stock. With all the ingredients ready, we can now dive into the cooking process. Preparation is key to a succulent roast turkey. We'll begin by preheating the oven to a cozy 325 degrees. While our oven warms up, we'll season our bird, making sure to generously cover it with salt, pepper, and herbs to your liking. Don't forget the cavity. Next, we'll prepare the roasting tray by layering it with a colorful array of vegetables and fragrant herbs, creating a flavorful bed for our turkey to rest on. Now that the turkey is ready for the oven, let's move on to the next step. Cooking the turkey to perfection is an art. Start by preheating your oven to a moderate 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Slide the turkey in and let it roast for about 15 minutes per pound. During this time, occasionally baste the bird with its own juices, keeping it moist and flavorful. Meanwhile, gather the pan drippings to make a rich, savory gravy. Once your turkey is golden brown and the juices run clear, it's time to rest the bird before serving. So, there you have it, a simple, tasty roast turkey recipe for your Christmas dinner. Remember, the secret lies in meticulous preparation and mindful cooking. Serve your perfect roast turkey with all the trimmings and enjoy a delicious Christmas dinner. Happy holidays!